Welcome. If you're looking to manage and view the accounts connected to your X app, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to access your connected accounts quickly and easily, so you can have full control over your X account's security and permissions. First, open the X app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon, usually located at the top corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon to open your account menu. Next, scroll through the menu and select Settings and Privacy. This section houses many of your account management features, including security settings. Within Settings and Privacy, find and tap on Security and Account Access. This area lets you manage how you protect your account and which apps or accounts you've connected. Now tap on Connected Accounts. Here you'll see a list of all the external accounts and services currently linked to your X account. This allows you to review and control which applications have access, helping you maintain your account's security and privacy. That's it. By following these simple steps, open the X app, tap your profile icon, go to Settings and Privacy, then Security and Account Access, and finally tap Connected Accounts. You can easily monitor and manage your connected accounts. Keeping an eye on connected accounts is a great way to ensure your X account stays secure and under your control. Remember, it's always smart to regularly check this section and revoke access to any app you no longer use or trust. This little routine can go a long way in protecting your online presence. Thank you for watching.